Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. So, guys, as most of you know, right now we need things to really start increasing, going up. We need to pull that motivation up psychologically. We need to get that boost and all that great stuff needs to happen. But it's not going to happen if you guys don't take any action as of now. And I'm going to be talking about a very important aspect here, and it's bridging a bone from Ethereum mainnet to Shibarium. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want Shibarium bone to absolutely glow and go up, you gotta bridge it, baby. You gotta bridge it so hard. Otherwise, it's not gonna magically go up in price for no reason. Not gonna go up in value for no reason. So, in this aspect, this is where you are gonna have to make a few clicks to make it happen. Now, this article comes out explaining how it's done. This is a repetition because, there's a lot of tutorials, there's a lot of videos about this. We all know that it needs to happen. You need to start bridging. And finally, guys, we are getting and seeing progress. We're seeing movements. We're seeing millions of dollars on Shibarium, moving. And I'm referring to Bone, which is great, and anything else moving to Shibarium. But there are many that are still on the L1 and they still haven't bridged. So here we've got a little tutorial. I'm actually going to play it. I hope I don't get any copyright issues or anything like that. But this is a quick, simple guide, guys. Watch it very quickly. And after that, guys, after those 30 seconds, I am going to really go in hard. Going to give you this extra motivation, rip it up open, and make you realize what is going on right now, what needs to happen. Simple as that. So let's just look at this. Well, guys, here you have it. I mean, it is quite simple. You can always rewatch it, find it on Twitter. You just type it into YouTube. People have been showing this, and it's been going on for a while. So you can learn it very, very quickly. Here you've got a few instructions. But the point of this video is to really talk about why it's important at this point, right? Because at the end of the day, this L2 Shibarium blockchain is nothing if there is no activity on it. And in order for there to be activity, we need to move away from this L1 and move to the L2 Shibarium, right? In order for it to have credibility, in order for exchanges to notice it, because they're going to start integrating on it if they see that there's real activity, if there's real movement, because they got to win from these trading fees. And in general, I mean, we are looking for the big projects. We're looking for these big dogs to go in there and pour in and splash their cash, make it glow, right? That is the whole point of it. So in summary, Shibarium needs a value. And if there's nothing on Shibarium, then it is absolutely useless, right? And someone that is useless or something that is useless can't be used, so there's no point in it, right? Now, guys, I know it seems like, just maybe a little bit of what you have and bridging it over to Shibarium doesn't make such a big difference. It does, because if everyone does it, if everyone follows the procedure, we will see a lot of results. Simple as that, right? And then we can actually talk about how great Shibarium is, because right now, if they look at what there is on Shibarium, it's not that high. It's not that much, right? It's a fact. I don't want to upset you guys, but really, if we were to look at Shibarium, the TVL isn't that high. It will grow, it will get to nice points, but it is going to take some time. Simple as that. So please, get ready to take some action. And action, when it comes, when it becomes a lot of action from different individuals, it works out into good results. We gotta take some steps to make it work. It's not gonna work out just by you laying back and taking a back seat. That's not how it works. And guys, at this point, I really want to see that in the next few months, there should be like literally nothing left on L1. Everything should be on L2. Every single thing. Okay? And that should be the goal. Because when others start noticing this, there's also we're gonna pretty much see the FOMO, the fear of missing out, on others following. Okay, so we gotta set the example if you still haven't done so. And guys, if you want Shibarium to succeed, if you want Shibarium to grow, if you want to see everything that it was supposed to do, and you want people to load up on Bone and Bone to be taken very seriously and volume to be pushed up, Shibarium needs to work out. Otherwise, Bone is dead. There's nothing to Bone. Simple as that. And I mean, in general, guys, why wouldn't you want to be on Shibarium? It's cheaper, less fees. You are in a benefit. Don't you understand? Like, everything on Shibarium is so much better. That is the whole point of it. Okay? And this is why many projects will be going in. Why we're going to have many more protocols, different categories entering. There is a future in this. A very, very big future. No wonder they've been hard forking, because they're trying to get more projects. I think once they see more capital within Shibarium, more people using Shibarium, that is going to give these other projects, when they're doing their analysis, their due diligence of what blockchain they want to use, that is going to give them that green light to also build on Shibarium. And on top of it, those that are very obsessed with burns and those that hold SHIB and want real movements, that's where it's going to create a snowball effect that's all going to turn into some big burns in the future. So as of now, our main goal is to get people on Shibarium. Get them on Shibarium. If it means, spreading the word, if it means explaining how it's done, giving tutorials, hashtagging Shibarium, do it. Do it, because in the future it is going to result in real benefit. And when the bull run kicks in, right, we want to see Shibarium, we want to see Bone, everything performing very, very high, because there's going to be a lot of money up for grabs. A lot of crypto is going to be there, and we want it to be poured into our ecosystem. That's what we want it. We don't want it to go to other stuff. We want it into our ecosystem. So for us to convince them, we need to have it on paper. They need to see it. It needs to look good when they do their due diligence. So guys, if you have any thoughts in regards to bridging, have you done so? And remember, when you're bridging, also while it's going into the bridge from L1 to L2, it's also taking out of circulating supply. So that's a good push, right, for the price action. So if you've done so, let me know down below. If you still haven't done so, please also let me know down below if you have any questions, all that stuff. Let's get people talking about it. And in general, guys, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone. I really do appreciate all the support. Turn that subscription button, subscribe with the notifications bell on. Otherwise, you won't see these videos. They get displayed a lot, but people just unfortunately don't see them. So see me as a crypto motivator. Today I wasn't at my peak when it comes to talking, the commentary, because I'm a bit sick. But guys, hopefully you can forgive me. And as usual, big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.